Welcome to the webinar, which is Varitex Deco Frame from Neschen Americas. I'm Mark Rugen, Manager of Training and Education for Neschen Americas, and I'd like to ask you a couple of questions. Would you like to be different from your competition? Would you like to provide your customers a display banner that looks great all the time? And do you want to take advantage of a growing market before your competitors do? Well, I think you'll agree that today we're going to show you how Varitex can do that for you. We're going to explain what Varitex is. We're going to show you that there's a great market for this. We're going to show you how you're going to make money from using Varitex and Neschen displays. And we're going to show you how we're going to help you get started. But first, I want you to take a look at a very special video. And I want you to notice in this video how bad the signage is that's out there right now that you can take advantage of using Varitex. Take a look. Hi, Mark Rugen with Neschen Americas here. I want to talk to you about why you should consider Varitex and Neschen displays. We're going to visit a local mall, and I think you'll get the message right away. It's a local mall near our offices here. We went in and just took a look at some of the signage in there just really quickly. And you can see in this particular case, look at the little top there, that's pretty bad. You can see some wrinkling going on. Look at the bottom and the top of this one over here. Not very professional looking. These folks deserve better in this shop where they sell clothing. And here's a banner that experiences curling. And these are just hanging, okay? So if you look at the bottom of this, it's really curled up on the bottom. And even on the edges of this particular material, whatever it happens to be, is just curling really bad. It even has a little dent in it, some wrinkles. We finally found a food stand that actually has the little PVC banner on it. But here's some of the problems you can have with that. It looks pretty good from the front, but when you walk around the edges, it's got a lot of waves, a lot of issues and so forth. Not good. And finally, we found a store where we thought these folks are probably going to reuse this signage again. I mean, why have it done again? But unfortunately, it's curled, it had a bunch of wrinkles in it. Very difficult to store this. If it's paper, it would have creases after you've stored it. What are you going to do? Well, that's why we're talking to you today about Varitex. We're going to show you why Varitex is a superior product for banner signage in banner stands, especially the Neschen displays. Well, you can see in that video there's some pretty poor signage out there. You don't want to be that company. So we want you to offer Varitex as an alternative. It's a textile that you can print to using a number of different kinds of inks that are out there. It's a specially woven, coated textile, very easy to print to with colors that will pop. In fact, Varitex is a 100% polyester knitted fabric. It has good stretchability, wrinkle resistance. It makes it perfect for trade show displays, for indoor use. You can put this and drape it over tables. You can use it in the window signage. You can use it in the banner roll-ups as well as the L banners from Neschen. Comes in a number of different sizes, you can see there, and we have a sample roll that you can get that's 30 inches wide by 23 feet long if you want to give it a try. If you're into all the details, I'm just going to leave this slide up here for a second, but I want to actually emphasize the different ways you can use this material in roll-ups, in forescreens. You can put it on collapsible fabric walls. You can use it in trade show graphics, retail signage, table drapes. There's a lot of different ways to use this. You need to be taking advantage of this Varitex material. You know, there are folks that are printing textile right now that are not in the sign business, and this is what they're saying. If the industry doesn't embrace digital printing, other industries such as screen printing industry, the graphics industry, or the sign and banner industry could take over this market. That's you, folks. You can take over this market. Trade shows devoted to wide format printing, screen printing, and graphics have all added digital textile printing to their roster of seminars and vendor exhibits. It's a market that's emerging that you can take advantage of. As I mentioned here in textile world, the future of digital printing technology is happening right now. It's about new products, new markets, new opportunities, and this is a tremendous market that you need to take advantage of. Is there really a market out there? Here's some other research that took place. Look at this graph. That textile printing market is just accelerating at an enormous rate with both latex, aqueous, UV curable, dye sublimation. This textile can be used with all of those capabilities. And what are folks charging for simple banners that are being out there? Look at this, $200 to $300, $400 in banner signage. And this is just here in January of 2012. I just got this off of Google. How much do you charge? Well, take a look at an example here. Let's say that you use the Neschen display L banner. It's a 39-inch wide by 80 inches tall banner stand, basically. You see it on the right over there. You'd pay about $33.60 for that whole stand. You put the Varitex in it. We got 41-inch wide by 80 inches. It's going to cost you about $22.67 to get that done. You're going to charge maybe 25 cents a square foot for the ink. I know you're charging more than that. Your total cost for making this, $64.25. What are you going to sell it for? Remember we said it was $200 to $400? Let's make it come down. Let's sell it for $150 to $200, so we're very competitive. You're still making a profit of $86 to $136. What does this mean for you? You're making a good profit and you're offering better quality signage. It's not going to curl. It's going to be really authentically a good sign for these companies that are asking for this product. You ready to get started? Our resellers have recently been trained and are ready to assist you. The tip sheets that we have and the experts we have on board can help you understand how to use this product. And we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Sample rolls are available right now. If you want samples, call Barb, 410-540-8935. Mention this video, and we'll put you in touch with the reseller that's right for you. This is Mark Rugen with Neschen Americas. Get started right now making profit and offering great signage with Varitex and Neschen displays.